So welcome back in this manual swap into my FRS. So today what I'm gonna attempt to do is remove the harness from inside and into the engine bay. So I don't really know where to start, so I'm just gonna film it and document it as I'm going. I'm gonna start from left to right and try to keep this harness in. I'm gonna try to keep as much as I can inside without doing too much crazy stuff. And yeah, so this one you just want to press on the white part out, just like so, and after that you can pull it like this. Just like so. This one is just a press and go. This one as well as this one. This one you just push on the side like so, and you can remove it. Just like so. This one you see this little thing over here, you have to press it down and just take it towards you and it goes out. Same as for this one over here. You should pretty much disconnect everything that you see. So what I decide to do is remove these two modules that control a lot of stuff, so I can slide the harness through the top and disconnect the one that goes through the door and stuff. So yeah, and there's a bunch of connection underneath it, so we need to remove these as well to take off the thing. And to remove the connection from underneath this, you have this little thing over here that goes side to side, so you need to wait a minute. You need to pull it down to take the one from the top out, and you need to pull it up to take the one from the second one off. So you have to move it around to remove each one. Be aware of this. So first one's down. I'm gonna remove this one now. So I removed this one as well. There's two 10mm bolts holding it. There's one over here, and one underneath. If I can show it. I did put it back there, and you have to take this off from it. So you just need to, let's see if I can show you this thing. You need to pull it and push on the white connection that connects into this part over here. So that's removed. So now I'm gonna disconnect these two connections from together, and I'm gonna disconnect everything over here, which is a mess. So what you want to do next is remove this white thing from the door, sliding. Give me a minute. Every connection that goes for the door over here into this hole, and after that you want to remove these connections, which I'm going to show you right now. You go from here, I don't know if you're going to see it actually. and inside of here there's a clip which you have to pry to take them out. So there's another ground over there which I'm gonna remove, and after that I need to disconnect all these things. And over here there's, in the back, there's a muzzle as well I need to disconnect. So I'm really foreign to this. I was over here trying to free this thing, because this goes around. If I want to put this away, I need to take this out. That's this airbag system, and I wanted to have the Chelsea harness. That's an airbag harness, if you want to call it. So now I removed the gas pedal to remove the connection that goes here, and it was easier to, anyway you have to remove it, to remove all of this, to remove this connection, because it was so tucked there I wasn't able to very removed it. So now I believe that this was the last one. There's just a couple of clips holding this side, so I can take it off from here and pull. Yep, that's it. Take this part off and go on the other side. I removed this part from here, so I now have to remove this harness over here and try to slide it through here in the ground over here. So I'm done on this side. There was a bunch of clip holding the other stuff here. So now I need to go over here. This side looks a little bit more easier since there's not the steering and stuff. So I need to undo this couple of clips, the thing for the airbag over here, disconnect the door and stuff, and after that I need to pass everything through here, over here. Just be aware that over here there's a ground you need to remove, and there's a cable that go in the back of the fan. So I believe I will need to remove this to go on the back of all this and remove the connection, which I don't know what it's for, but it's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's going to the back of the fan motor and the AC stuff and all everything. Anyway, I'm gonna remove this and this since I'm not gonna use it for the track. So the harness, the dash harness is out. I believe if you don't delete the AC and stuff, it's not an obligation to remove the dash harness. But since I want to go over here and over here, I need to remove it because it's unplugged from there over here, and the same on the other side. So you can let the dash harness on it and just cut over here the wire that go in the back of the AC and solder it to the new harness. So like that you don't have to remove the AC and stuff. So yeah, so now I need to remove this thing. So to remove this, you have 4 torque 40 bolts that look like, where are they? They look like this on both sides where the doors is. You have 2 on each side. You have 4 12mm bolts, 2 on this side, 2 on this side, and you have another one underneath where the steering column is, so you can remove everything at once. So that's done. Now I need to remove the brake pedal, the AC, everything over here, pass the harness through the grommet on both sides, and for the part of taking apart the inside will be done. I can't wait to take everything out of the car and clean it a little. I don't have much space for now to store it, so it's looking like this.